right. I'm back. It's Monday and it's kind of early, but I figured, why not? I didn't stream last week, and I don't even know why. I just did it, I guess. I don't know. I got stuff going on. Um, so I wanted to do two things. The first is I wanted to show what I've this game. I'm recreating this game I made like 6 years ago. Um, so I wanted to show that here. Um, oh, I'm also. Oh wow, look at that! My FPS just took a dive. Wow. I also try. I was thinking about trying OBS NDI, which is like it lets you use your network to like stream from a different computer. But then I was really lazy and I was like, nah, I'll just stream from the same computer. And now when I open up the iOS simulator, it just totally dropped a million frames. I regret not doing that. Anyway, so this is the game. Yeah, it this is how it looks. Let me just put this here. Also, I'm standing. You can't tell because I have to zoom in quite a bit because my green screen's only so big. But I am standing, and so I feel like I have more energy. Just standing, streaming instead of sitting. Anyway, so the way it works is you hit this thing and then so you get so like a ball bounces and you're supposed to match colors, right? So it's purple and then it'll turn yellow and that's the gist of it, right? That's the whole game basically. And then you can also there's like different levels, right? And so like the this level 2 is like 3, right? Level 3 is like 4. Colors, and I made this like 6 years ago, 7 years ago. I honestly can't remember. It's been so long. I'm pretty sure it was like it might have been like 2014. It might have been like 8 years ago. Shoot. Anyway, I lost the code, and someone was asking for it, so I was like, oh, you know what? I'll just remake it. Anyway, I wanted to show that off. I also want to quit Xcode as soon as possible so OBS can have some room to breathe. Let's see. Today I was gonna yeah, today I don't know, I was thinking about like I could keep working on the I don't even know if I've done anything on this. I just been working on the game mostly. Let's see. I don't know if I've done anything. Let's look at the commits. Uh oh, you know what? I did do something, right? I did add yeah, I did like start hacking together. Oh, you know what? Cookie parsing. That's what I was gonna do. I was gonna do cookie parsing. The worst cookie parsing that you've ever seen. That's what I was gonna. That's what I was gonna do. Um, let's see. Cookie. Yes, I added cookie things. Um, I have to encrypt it, and I also have to parse, right? And so that's what I did here. I started to do that anyway, um, but I haven't done it yet. So let me. I guess yeah. I guess I can do that, right? Wow, this is harder when when I'm standing because the mic's like right in my face right here, and it's like more difficult to see. Maybe I should sit down. That's all right. I like standing because I feel good. Plus, I was sitting down today working, so I don't really want to sit. I don't want to sit. Um, am I gonna do cookie parsing? I also had something I saw something on Hacker News a while ago about this to do text format thing, and it's basically like GitHub uh like issue to dos. So here's an example, right? That's what I should do. I should do this instead. I might do this instead. We might do this. So so you kind of just have a you kind of have a to dos thing, right? So you'll do like to dos, right? Or you can just say touch to dos, and then every single one is this it's like markdown GitHub flavor markdown stuff, So it's like and they get crossed off, right, with like an X if they're completed. And so let's see, parse cookies, encrypt cookies, encrypt cookie values. I should say, right? Encrypt strings, and then encrypt cookie values. String value. Cookie values are always strings, but that's all right. And then yeah. So then what else do I have to do? Uh, implement actually add logins. Yeah, there we go. Add logins. Yeah. Okay. So then you could sort of have like everything. You know what? Maybe we'll just move to do's.txt. We'll just do that instead. Because then you could just have everything in the project, and it's like so you could have global to dos, right, and like project specific ones. Um, so I think that's what I'm gonna do right now. Actually, cargo. That's what we're gonna do. This is this stream. I just figured it out. I'm not gonna stream for super long, but hopefully I could do a simple like we could read a file with Rust, and then we could like manipulate it, like split it on new lines, and then find the curly braces or the square braces and put an X if it's complete, right? So this is like a just command line application, right? Um, and I feel like I should be able to do that. Now that I'm standing, it's way easier to look at the camera. Dang, maybe that's the secret. Maybe that's the secret to YouTube. Maybe I should make a YouTube video standing instead of sitting. Because the last YouTube video I made, I was like trying to look at the camera, but it was like really weird because it wasn't eye level. But now it is eye level. So actually, you know what? I can even adjust it a little bit lower. All right. What was I doing? Oh yeah. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a to-do CLI application. Let me change the Twitch. Let me change the Twitch info. Hopefully, I can do this in like 20 minutes, right? I I think I can do it in 20 minutes. How am I not logged in? How am I? Oh, I am logged in though. Oh no, I'm not. I don't understand how I'm not logged in on this. Uh, shoot. You know what? Oh, there it is. Here's my phone. I thought my phone was somewhere else. Okay. It, there it is. Oh, geez. I probably shouldn't show you this, but that's all right. Okay. All right. I am logged into Twitch. I did that live, and in the next 30 seconds, if you have my password, you can you can log in as me. Wait, is this? Yeah. Okay. I didn't realize this was live. I thought it was like an old one. Uh. Okay. What was I doing? Oh yeah, editing the thing. Right. There's no secrets here. Okay. There's no secrets. Is it like create? What is it? Creator something, right? Home, manage stream. Uh, it's Wow. Okay. Uh, I've skipped. I've skipped so many. I really need to get a different computer to do this. What is guest star? Guest on your stream? Oh, that's cool. Okay. Hey, if anyone wants to come on the stream, just let me know. Okay, so learning Rust with a small to-do command line application. We'll just say CLI, right? Wait, what do they call them? What do they call them now? Terminal? Terminal apps? No, what is charm.sh? Is that what it is? Charm Golang? What do they call them? Oh, it's 2e. Small to do 2e. There we go. It's all right. I'm not gonna use SQLite. We're not gonna do that. We're just gonna do, yeah, Rust, Alacritty, Helix. What else? What other Rust thing am I using? That's about it though, right? What else is there? Is there anything? I can't think of anything. Oh, you know what? I should yeah, I should switch to new shell too, right? Then it's a full Rust stack, right? um I also, what, you know what? I wonder what fish is written in for the 90s. Wait, what? Is it a heart? Okay. Web-based configuration. Let's go to the code. Where is it? Where's the code? The code is looks like C. I can't really tell. Yeah, oh, C++. Okay. Okay, well, yeah, maybe I should do new shell instead. Or maybe I should write my own shell. No, that's ridiculous. I'm not going to do that. That's so dumb. Okay, so TUI, here we go. Rust, right? Web development. We're gonna get rid of that. SQLite. Actually, you know what? We'll just leave that up. No, yeah, because I always do that anyway, so I don't know. It's probably fine. All right, stream info updated. That's what I'm talking about. Oh man, I don't really like this music on here. Let's just listen to this. Okay. Actually, you know what? I want something a little bit more upbeat though. We'll just listen to that. Okay, yeah, I'm into that. Okay. All right. So, this is it, right? It's gonna be called to do. It's gonna be called. I feel like to do is just so, but I mean it makes sense, right? Because the thing's called to do. So, cargo new to do. All right. So to do, we will. The first thing that you want to do if you are a cool software engineer is you just want to make an initial commit, right? And then you also want to go to GitHub and you want to make a new repository and you want to name it to do, right? And you want to wait, this is so confusing. Maybe I should call it something else. Synonym for done. Ready. Tender? Tender is the thing? Let's see. Dead and buried, no more. What about for to do? Fuss, ado. I almost like ado because it's 3 characters, right? Yeah, I almost like that. All right, we'll call it ado because I would never call it that ever. All right, so then you come over here and you make a thing, and you make the repository, and now you have a repository, and then you come back over here, and we're done with that for now, and you add that origin, and then you say git push uorigin main, but also what you do is you're gonna I made a sweet alias for this, but I already forgot it. What is it? Oh my gosh, I can't. I should. Oh my gosh, I have the signing key. Oh my goodness, I have to fix my signing key. Is it the public key? I don't know. Okay. What was my alias? I think it was get s, right? Get sc 2211. If you're really cool like me, you're gonna switch to a branch, and you're gonna show your signing key on the stream, so someone can screenshot it and then copy it with their phone, because you can like copy text from pictures now. Okay, so now that I've been completely owned and doxxed, I will yeah, actually I need to I want get SSH signing key. All right, let's SSH key. Copy the public key. That's fine, right? Path to pub. Oh yeah, that's fine. It was just my public key. Oh yeah, you can look at that. I don't care. All right. So anyway, I set up a suite. Get S is get switch, right? Dash C, and then it makes a new branch. So now you, if you're really cool, you always just make pull requests to your own thing, even and just rebase them, even though, like, I don't know, there's no point to it. All right, so the first thing that I need to do is make a to do, right? So touch to do, and then we'll come over here and we'll say, okay, we will say to do. The first thing is to read the to do file, right? Read the to do txt file in the current directory or the global directory, right? Which is this to do.txt, right? There we go. The next thing is we're going to add to dos, right? No, we're not going to read it. We're going to read or create. There we go. That's what I want to do. The to do in the current directory or the global directory. In the current directory, yes. Read the current or global directory to do, right? And then the next thing is going to be add. You can add to dos to it, to the to do.txt file. Pass dash dash global for the global to do, right? And then we can also delete to dos by index from the to do txt file. Wow, this is turning into quite a bit. And then we could complete to dos. Oh, you know what? We can't delete them. Complete to dos in the to do.txt file by index. And we also want to like list them. List to dos in the file. List the to dos. Okay, that's what we want to do. We want to do all that stuff. So the first thing is read or create a file, right? I have no idea how to do that with Rust. I think it's probably like std like file system or something, right? Let's go to main. Okay, so the first thing is main is running, right? Cargo run. All right, it's looking good. We'll just make this a little smaller. We'll make this, there we go, a little bigger. We'll make this a little bigger too, actually. There we go. Okay, and then now that we have that going, right? We can instead of doing this, we can just start doing things like stdfs, right? Is that what it is? Let's see. File is a struct. File. Read. All right, we're getting somewhere. So the first thing we need to do is either read. We want to read to string because it's never going to be that big, right? So the path is you know what? Let's just always assume that you're in the local for now. So we'll change the to do to read or create in the current directory, and then we'll move this later, right? And then we'll say pass is later. This is gonna be later too. Pass global for the global to do .txt. Okay, so the really we're gonna make a readme too, and a do, right? A simple to do to do application. Let's see quick start. I love when I see a quick start because that's what I want to see. I don't like to read a lot of stuff. I just want to get going. Okay, so a quick start is, you know what, we'll bring this up again. Quick start is okay, so let's just shell, right? Okay, let's say bash. Can we do that? No. We'll just do shell. We'll do is this gonna help me at all? I don't think it is gonna help me. So the first thing is we want to be able to call a do hello, right? Yeah, we want to say a do add a thing to do, right? Do I want to quote this? No, I don't. Anything that comes after add, I just want to read. I wonder if I can do that. Yeah, that's interesting. I might have to quote it. A do list and a do complete, right? 0, right? A do done, right? A do, we'll just say a do, yeah, do done. Okay, I think this is probably fine, right? Yeah, I wonder if I don't have to quote this. That would be super nice. Anyway, so these 3 things, right? So we'll start with add. We'll start with list because it already exists, right? So that's just reading. So main read to string, and we'll say to do.txt, right? stdfs read to string. It reads the entire contents of a file. This is convenient for using file open and read to string with fewer imports. Blah 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 blah. Man, can I just? I wish I could go. It will also return it whenever. Okay, so it takes a path p, and I'm guessing the path p. Yeah, it's just okay. So then you have to say that. Wait, why do you have to parse into the slice of another type? Okay, so this now returns a result, right? Of std error io error, right? And yeah, this, I guess. Okay, and then we could say contents. Okay, cool. Right? Oh, it doesn't like this. Maybe I can just do this. Supplied one generic argument. Oh, okay. Error e. We could say std error dine. Can we do that? Okay, what is this result actually though? A string of an error. Box dine error? Okay. We just need to box it. All right, there we go. Cause, oh my gosh. What does it say? Just error. But what error though? Cannot found the scope. So we will do std io error, and we will also use stdfs read to string. Oh, we can do that now, I think, right? And now we can do this. Okay. Okay, so this found struct error, not a trait. So we'll say error. Expected enum. Oh. Return contents, I guess, right? Okay. I guess we do need to say read to string. Okay. All right, so this is, oh, expected because of return type. Oh. Can I do that? Is that gonna work? Matt, what's up? This is incompatible types. Okay. Can I convert from string? Okay. So this should be what, a string? Okay, we're just gonna wrap it. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put this read to do file, right? Oh my gosh, I can't even like. Let's just go. Let's just go back down. Sorry. I'm sorry if you can't see that, but yeah. Okay, so this read to do file returns a result of something and a box of dying error. And then read to string, right? txt. Okay. Let's see. Incompatible types. Operator cannot convert from string to result. Oh, yeah, of course. Right? That's good. It already returns. I don't need to do this. Expected enum, found enum, stdio error. Okay, I guess I can just actually just use it, right? Error. Does Rust have the concept of holes so that the compiler will define the type for you? It probably does, but I don't know if it does. Let's see. Well, this we'll just not do that ever. We'll just do match because I'm like, okay. This is fine. Return std expected result. All right. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, so let's see. So now right now all it's doing is this, but I think it's a little better. So we'll just say match read to string read to do file. And then we will just say okay. S, and I'll just print that out. Print ln, just so I can get something going because this is very sad. Otherwise, there was an error, right? And we will just say there was an error reading todo.txt, right? Must be a string literal. What is that? Oh, I can do this instead. There we go. Cargo run. Need a comma. That is what I need. Okay. Nice. It read it out. That's what I'm talking about. All right. It's pretty easy, actually. I mean, you know, I was messing around with the error types, but if I just didn't do that, right, and I didn't like care about this result, I could probably like if I carried this through, right, or if I just bring in, you know, let's just do anyhow. I've never actually used anyhow, but we're gonna bring it in right now. Let's see, anyhow crate. Okay, so hopefully, I think this somehow solves the problem. And I like this ASCII guy, so we're just gonna bring that in. Already bringing in dependencies, classic. Anyhow, I mean, I shouldn't do this because I'm like actually actively against this, but whatever. All right, let me see. Cargo, fetch. Oh, you know what? Rust actually, you can do this though in Rust. It's not going to be like a type, but it's like this to do. And you can have like you can have this as a thing, and then it'll let you do like empty things. So that's kind of like a hole, I guess, right? All right, so cargo build. Okay. So now when I use anyhow result, right? How do I do this? Result, string, and it solves the error problem for me, I'm guessing. Expected anyhow error. Oh, okay, so now I don't even need this. I could just do this. Read to do string. Result should be a string. Wait. Is this gonna help? Is it helping me? No, this is totally broken. This opening brace? Oh, right, because I'm matching. Read to do file. Okay. Now it's okay. So let's see. Expected enum result anyhow error. Found enum IO error. context result. Okay, use result t anyhow error or equivalently result t anyhow result as the return type of any fallible function, right? Get cluster info, result cluster map. Oh, I see. Okay. Is that what we do? But it already returned. What if it already returns a result, though? Okay, I guess I have to say contents, right? And then okay contents. That is nice. That is nice. I mean, anyhow, it's one of those crates that it's like, I feel like it's small enough that anyone could just come along and like hijack like 3,500 stars. With Rust, you can't, it runs code before you compile, right? Like, because the macros. So this is a security, this is basically a security nightmare, right? Because like everyone depends on anyhow. You can't see it from GitHub, but I'm telling you, everyone uses anyhow, and this this is like the left pad of Rust. Like I'm telling you, I mean, like it's not gonna fail at runtime, but like I mean, you could easily hijack a bunch of developers' computers by like you know putting in some nefarious commits. Although it doesn't seem like anyone else has been committing, but there are pull requests here, right? Redundant provide. I like um yeah, I see I don't even know what's going on with this. Like I just pulled it in and it solved my problem, so I'm just like, "Oh, sweet." But like there's really nothing stopping these people from like completely owning me and my machine. So that stinks. But I guess I could look at it and see what it's doing. I think it's a macro. Oh no, pub struct error, a wrapper around a dynamic error type. Works a lot like box, but with these differences. Requires that the error send string is static. Oh, okay. Guarantees that a backtrace is available. Interesting. Narrow pointer, exactly one word in size instead of two. Okay. Yes. That's so okay. Anyway, whatever. Look, if I get owned, I'll just know that it was anyhow. Okay, so anyway, this looks good now. I mean, it looks okay. I think I can probably, I wonder if I can just do this. Okay. I wonder if I can just do question mark here and then just like this. I mean, it looks like it's working, right? It looks pretty good. Yeah, nice. Okay, cool. So this is looking okay now. It's not bad. It's a little better with anyhow. The name even is wanting you not to think twice about it. It's so true though. It's so true. That's what I'm saying. All right. Okay, so what was it? What the other to do was read or create the to do. Okay, so now I have to say I actually don't need anyhow now because I'm always gonna well, I guess I could fail still. Um okay, so the read and then we're gonna say create to do file, right? And then this is gonna be a result um of nothing, I guess. Right? I don't really care about whether or not I just want to see if it fails, but I want to like carry the error through. That's what I want to do. Okay, so I mean this is like overkill for something like this little command line application, but I feel like it's I'm trying to learn it, so all right, so match I'm not even matching. What am I doing matching? stdfs create dir. No. I want to uh I don't even know what I want to do. What can I do? Copy, creator, metadata read, remove, file, rename, write. Write a slice. This is a convenience for using file, create, and write all with fewer imports. Perfect. That's exactly what I want. So it looks like I can do, and it returns another result, right? Okay. I actually, you know what? If I just stick to stdio result, right? What if I just do this? Result. Wait, wait a minute. I don't need anyhow for this. Because this is failing, so rest analyzer doesn't. There's no way. Oh my gosh, are you serious? We're gonna get rid of that dependency because I'm only doing IO stuff, so I don't really need it. I feel better. That makes me feel better. All right, now that I kind of understand this more, this makes me feel. You could actually just do this. I didn't know you could do that. I thought you needed anyhow. I thought you needed to have the second error there. Man, Rust is even easier than I thought. Dang, people are making it so complicated. Okay. All right, so let me see. Write to do file. Results. And it's just gonna be like a Boolean or something. I don't know. Write. Std write. What was it? Stdfs write. So we'll just put that here. Right. Yes, Rust Analyzer does this for me, but I'm just doing it. Okay, so this is the path, which is going to be to-do.txt. I can make that let's make it a constant. Oh, I can't. Yes, I can. What is it? Is it const? File name? To-do.txt? Static? Is it let? Do I do let? Is it a static let? How do I do it? Let static. No. Maybe it's just static. Maybe it is const. Missing type. Oh, I have to actually say the type. Static stir. Stir? Semicolon? Okay. Do I not need static? Interesting. So I could just do it and it knows that it's a const. Okay, I'm into it. Okay, so write contents is just gonna be blank, right? And then instead of this, we're gonna. What does write actually return? What is it? It returns. Yeah, it returns nothing, right? Okay, that's what I. Yeah, I don't even want a bool. We'll just do that. Okay, so write to do files never used. That is correct. And we will say format. File name. I wonder if I can do that. I don't know. Oh, it works. Okay, cool. Sweet. All right, we'll just say for here, we'll just say file name, right? Actually, we need to. We'll just do that. We'll just put that. We'll just put that in there. Then I don't have to format. Okay, and then here we'll put a file name, right? Okay, yeah, that's pretty good. Let's see. Still running? No, it is not running. It does not like this. It doesn't like that. I need to actually have it syntactically correct before I run it. All right, so reader creates the to-do txt file in the current directory. That is looking good. So if there's no, I wonder, so let's delete it or let's move it away, to somewhere else, right? And then I wonder what the error is actually. E. So let's try it. No such file or directory, right? E dot, is it gonna like, is there some kind of kind? Okay, there must be some kind of error kind. std io dot error kind is an enum. Oh, perfect. It's probably something like no. Oh, you know what? It'll probably tell me, right? If I do this. Println e dot What was it? What was it again? E dot error dot kind? Yes. E dot kind. What if I just didn't do this? And I just did I'm doing Swift. What if I didn't I just panicked, right? Can I panic with an E? Can I do that? T enter? Must be a string literal. I guess I can't do that. Okay. So let me println e dot kind. Oh, it doesn't like, you can't do, oh, it's very limited. Okay. E dot kind. Yeah, maybe I don't want to do that then. If it's that limited, I'll probably just always do that, right? E dot kind. Oh. Okay. Entity not found. So how do I match, is there an easier way to do this? Or, because I have to get the thing out of the result, and then I have to match again. I have to match again on e.kind, right? Or I have to match on e? What is e? Is it going to tell me? It's not even going to tell me. I have to match on e.kind, right? And then I have to say entity error kind stdio. Is it going to help me with this? Oh, there we go. Okay. Entity, no. Executable file busy, file system loop, host unreachable. Oh, entity was not found. Entity not found, right? I'm like nested matches now. Arm not covered. Yes, I understand. Panic E, right? I don't even know what, can I do that with panic? I don't know. Okay, so error not found. We're not gonna panic. We're just gonna println. Actually, you know what? Why panic though? Really, we'll just do the same thing. E println, but really I don't even need to do this because it's gonna do this. It's gonna, like, saying no such file or directory is good enough, but we'll make it a little nicer. To-do.txt doesn't, oh, you know what, we're not even gonna do does not exist. In fact, we're just gonna create it, right? To-do file, right? And then we're gonna create it, but also we're gonna say hello, just give me a second. Right, to-do file, and oh, this is another error though. Okay, we'll just do that. This now needs to return a result, right, of this. And this needs to say found type stdio. What did it say? Oh, stdio error. One generic argument. Remove this generic argument. Okay, I guess it doesn't like that. So we'll just do this, and then we'll say println to-do.txt file was created, was not found, and was created. Okay, it doesn't like whatever I'm doing here. Oh, because it's not returning a okay, let me think about this for a second. This is, I made this really complicated. This looks really ugly. I don't think this is the way. Maybe the way is more like maybe the way is more like yeah, this is out of control. This is actually really horrible. What if I did like some if let stuff, right? Like what if I said if let okay, right? S read to do file like that, and then else it's an error. And then here I can just say, I can do the match stuff here, right? We'll just take 7x, right? We'll do that. Whoa, my goodness. We will take 6x. What did I say? 6x? There we go. And we will do that. And then we will say if let OK, println s. And then that might be a little better, I think, probably. And then we'll just say OK, right? All right. Return. Match e. Oh, right. Else. But see, I can't do if let okay because now I need this error. Shoot. Yeah, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with the nested matches. I mean, I read about this, but I didn't really like pay too much attention, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do nested matching. Yeah, I guess, yeah, because if this fails, I can't just say read to do file like that. I can't do that, right? And then just say write to do file. I can't do that either. That's madness. Although that's kind of what I want to do, but that's all right. Maybe read to do file always just writes it if it can't. Maybe it does it here instead of in the main thing, right? Yeah, maybe I'll do that instead. So let's do if let okay. Because if I can't read it, I mean, if the file system's like busy or something, I don't know. I think it's probably fine. Or if it's like out of space or something, maybe I'll do that. I'll say match read string, okay s right, and then s right. Or I wonder if I can just leave. No, okay s is okay s, I guess. Oh, that's weird. That's really weird. I'll just do the dumb thing that I was doing. Let OKS is return s, right? Else return write to do file, right? There we go. Let's do that. Return. Oh, that returns string though. So we won't return. We'll just do this, and then we'll say okay, but it's string with capacity 0. All right, there we go. It's still kind of ugly though, but whatever. And now read is actually writing. Yeah, maybe I don't want to do that. Maybe I'll have another one just called to do file, right? And then this one will either it'll return, is there like an either or something, or like left or right or something, like a monad thing or whatever from Haskell? I guess not, huh? This one will return the string. It'll return an optional string, right? No, that's crazy. That's madness. Okay, so this one will do that with this, right? This one will do that, right? But read will just be read. Hello. Okay. Is it because it's broken? Like what? Oh, yeah, it is broken. Yeah, Rust Analyzer just like fails completely if you have like any syntax errors at all. Okay, so this yeah, there we go. Like, who cares if it was created necessarily, right? So then I can just say to do file, right? To do let contents equals to do file, and then this is still a result, I think. Okay. at the end. And then we'll say println contents. Yep. Okay. Okay. Wow, that is not what I wanted. Yeah, it didn't do anything. Let me see. Read. Because it didn't exist, of course, and now it does, right? Oh my gosh. Yeah, that did work. Oh my goodness. Are you serious? I always like. All right, perfect. So now I can RM it again. Okay, perfect. It is working. All right, sweet. Okay. So let me run one more time. Okay, perfect. So let me see. CP we'll copy over the other one from here. And then now we will run it and we will see it. Okay, perfect. Because it existed. Yeah, I think this is good enough. Like, I think just doing this is okay, I think. I honestly, like, if I'm just gonna... I want the question mark. I want the question mark in there. I don't know, because if I didn't do the question mark, I'd have like a nested if let. Yeah. But I, yeah, this is tough. Maybe the read to string file name, the question mark. But maybe no, it's fine. I'm looking at some docs. Seems like unwrap or else might help. Unwrap or else. Yeah, I could do unwrap or else, right? Read to string file name, unwrap or else, right? Uh, unwrap or else, and then is another write to do file, and this and then I can just make this instead of returning this, I can just do this, and then I can just say return let a result or something. Then I could just return an empty string, right? String with capacity 0 here. But it doesn't like that. Yeah, because of the question mark. Well, we'll leave that then. Unwrap or else takes a function. Yeah, I guess I can just have a... No, because this one fails too. Unwrap or else takes a function that takes the value? Yeah, I guess... I mean, I could just unwrap, right? But no, I think this is okay. I mean, because they both return results, right? Write to do file could take in the string to write and return it. Write to do file could take in the string to write and return it. Oh yes, it can. That is correct. Stir string, right? You can just say string. And then, so here, oh, I see what you're saying. And then you could say read to string file name, and unwrap or else takes a function that takes the thing that you're trying to unwrap, right? Returns the okayed value, right? So read to string, unwrap or else, and then it could just write to do file, right? And then it also takes unwrap or else. Oh yeah, that's right. Expected function signature error. What? Found expected error. Really? Oh, because this needs to be like a little question mark, right? Yeah. What? Nope, that's not right. Oh yeah, because it's a string now. Yeah, it's weird. Expects an error. Found function signature string. Oh, because what if I just didn't return anything? Because in the example one, unwrap or else takes a function that receives the error. Yeah, I mean, that's what it says. But in the example, it doesn't seem like it does, right? It just takes it takes a unwrap or else count. Count as a string in both cases? Oh, I see. Okay. Because okay is 2, but then that's an error. Oh, it does take the error, I guess. Okay. I mean, I guess I can do that. I didn't think it took the error, but whatever. I thought it took the string. Huh. I guess we're learning. We're learning today. IO error. Okay, and now what does it say? Expected to be that returns a string. Oh, I see. String. And then return unwrap or error. We'll just keep doing it. Unwrap or else. Oh, let's just say unwrap or default. We'll just match on this one, right? If let okay, right? Rust. The first assert in it isn't actually doing it. Yeah, I don't like this, by the way. Yeah, I like, this is a lot. I think it was okay just to do what I had. I think because then I have all the results or whatever. Realistically, like this such a simple thing. I mean, I could probably just not even have results and just like unwrap, right? I could literally just do like I could do something. So instead of this, right, I could just do read to string file name, right, and no like result stuff. I could just do unwrap and then yeah, like contents, right? And I guess I can't catch it though. That's the thing. Because if it panics, I'm kind of done, right? Because there's no try. Right? So I'll probably I would have to do something here, but I would probably do a match here. But yeah, I don't know. This is okay for now. It's all right. It's all right. Results. Right. Yeah. Rust is something. Yeah. The assert eq wasn't doing anything. That is correct. It wasn't really doing anything. Okay. So this wait, why is read to do file never used? Oh, right, because I'm not using it. Read to do file. This makes it a little nicer, actually. Read to do file. There we go. Okay, so that, yeah, this is this. I guess this might be 165, right? Like maybe this is a 165 thing where you wait. Why is the simulator still open? We'll quit that. Rust 165 Hacker News. There it is. Okay. They did some stuff. I don't know what that is. Let else. So maybe let would be something like let okay else, like that. Oh, I did not like that. Am I not on? I am on Rust 165. Okay, found unit type. Oh, because it's not going to return, right? So I can just say S, right? Can I do that? Oh, maybe maybe that's not what I wanted. Man, I thought I could use like a new feature or something, you know? Expected because of return type. I guess I would have to call OKS here again, right? Oh no, I guess I can't. Never mind. Yeah, this seems like a lot. This seems like weird duplication though. Yeah. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, I don't. There's something about this that I'm definitely doing wrong. I'm definitely doing this the wrong way. Um, if let okay count. You could previously, unfortunately, let outer let. Yeah, this. I mean, I guess Rust's correctness comes at a cost, you know. Okay, let me see this. Count items. Some, blah, 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 else. Let, okay, count. But the count's in scope, though. I guess I'm confused because I thought I could do this. Let me try one more time. Let me just make sure I'm on. Let me just make sure. What do I do? Rusty version? Is that what I do? Yeah, 165. I was looking at recoverable errors with result. Um, file open. File open match. Yes. I know. That's yeah. Um yeah, look at these nested matches. Oh, that's what I was doing. I was just doing that exact same thing. That's so funny. Man, it's hilarious. Alternative using match. There's a lot of match. Oh, that's what I said. File open. Oh, unwrap or else. Oh, okay, okay. Let me see. Error kind not found. File created. I mean, it's still a little bit. Oh, I see. They just do like a lambda or something, or an anonymous function. I said lambda. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Shortcuts for panic. Unwrap. Yeah, that's what I said. Unwrap. Expect is also. Maybe I should just use expect. Propagating errors. Yeah. Yep. Let's see. Match username file. Return OK file. Return error. Yeah, I guess that's just what you do, right? The operator, file open, read to string. Yeah, you know what though? Maybe I have to do this instead. Maybe I should just do this. It always returns a string, and I just do read to do file. If let okay. Return. Do I have to do OKS? Maybe. Yeah. Maybe I'm like inspired by this. Maybe I should do this instead. I should just always return. Return. Yeah. Maybe I could just do. Also, why read to string versus whatever. Let Oh, they actually did read to string there. So for this one, instead of saying like write to do file has a different error type, but for some reason it'll let me do this. I wonder why. What if I just call this up here? Oh, it still lets me do it, even though it has a different result. Maybe this is special somehow. The little parentheses. I'm actually not sure. Okay, so maybe, yeah, maybe this always just returns OKS, and maybe this, yeah, I don't want a short circuit though, right? Is that what they call it? A shortcut prop. I don't want to propagate the error if it fails. I want to handle it. Yeah, I mean this might be the best I could do maybe for this if I want to read or write in the same function. Yeah, this might be it. Um, shoot. Yeah, that's weird though. I thought I wanted to do let else though. Let else because that's kind of like, and then okay s or just s I guess. Yeah, it's fine. Let okay, but s exists, right? Unexpected token. Yeah, it really doesn't like. Oh, it's Rust Analyzer. That's not. Is it gonna let me build anything from here to steal? Let's see. File create, file write all. Okay. File open, contents, read string. Yeah, you know what? Maybe I'm making this too hard on myself. Like, if file open fails, I want to write. But it seems like this one will just say, oh, the file doesn't exist. Make it, but I want to make it for you. I think that's where I'm like getting caught up, right? It's like maybe they didn't think someone would want to create a file if it doesn't exist. They're like, what kind of idiot would do that? What kind of dummy would want to create a file that doesn't exist? Okay, so let OK else, right? Let OK s read to do file else. All right. I mean, it seems like I have the syntax right here. Expected found enum result. Maybe. Hello, what am I doing? Because what am I doing? I'm just returning an empty string here. Does not diverge. Okay. Oh, is that what the problem was? No. Expected type. What if I did that? No, it doesn't like that. Am I supposed to return from this let else thing? I mean, I definitely want to return the string, which seems like it's okay now. Read to do file or else. The return type needs an error. Oh, okay, yeah. I see what you're saying. Yes, okay, I guess I really just didn't want to do that. Or else. Is this gonna be better? Is it gonna be better? Let's see. Right, can I do this here? Right to do file? Do I need to have an arrow? Really? Is that a thing? Do I need to have the arrow though? You probably want to look at open options for more control of how you handle file handle. Do I want to look at that? Open options? Read, write, create. Oh, wow, look at that. Well, that's sick. Opening a file for both reading and creating if it doesn't exist. That's it. That's it. Carball, thank you. Thank you. That's exactly what I wanted. I guess, well, let's see. Let's do what Matt wanted to do, because maybe it'll be better anyway. It'll probably be better. Let's see. So what am I doing here? Error. Does it return right to do file though with an arrow, or do I just call that right to do file? Oh, because this takes a string, right? String. Well, this is a. Does it take that? Does it take a slice, or does it take a string? Expected. String. Return OK. String with capacity 0. This. Unused variable string. Yeah, no kidding. String. Okay. Oh, it worked. It's working. I can't believe it. Incredible. Pseudocode. Yeah, no, that's right. Matt, you are correct. But honestly, like this open options thing is that's the thing. That's it. All right? That's what's going to be. Let me see. So this yeah, file create and file read are shorthands for open options. Okay, so this file create. Where is file? Is it going to help me? Okay. File create create. We'll create a file if it does not exist, and we'll truncate it if it does. See the for more details. File create. File open. This function will return an error if path does not already exist. Other errors, open options open. But I think I'll probably do something. Yeah, so this is a lot nicer already. I don't even need the open options, but open options is even better now. Let's see, open options, new. Okay, so read true, write true, create true, and then open, right? File name. Wait, what does open return? Oh, it returns the file. Okay, file name. And then I think I can just say, oh my gosh, let file. So for this, I would say something like this, and then I would say file dot read. Oh no, read buff. How do I read into a string? Uh-oh. Read buff. Pull some bytes. I don't want to pull bytes. No. Let's see. Take? No, I don't want that. I don't want to do that either. Maybe we'll just do this. Read buff, I guess. And that does something. I'm guessing. File options. Read. Oh. Okay, I need to actually look at the returned thing. File. File create. Write all makes sense. You can also use read. Read the Okay, let mute contents. Oh, you have to read it. Wait, file read to string? But the open options? Buff read, read to string. Oh, I see. Read, buff read, into a file create as a, well, you need to import the read trait. stdio read. Oh, I have it. I have it here. Okay, let me see. Read buff. Let's make this bigger. Let's see. Read buff needs a thing. Mute contents is a string that is new, and then this takes a mutable reference or something to it. Right? It helps it. It borrows. It's borrowing a mutable borrow. Expected borrow cursor found mute string. Cool. I guess not. File open mute contents. Oh, that's read to string though. This read buff is pull some bytes from the source into the specified buffer. I guess a string can't be a buffer, even though I said let mute contents. Buff read is read to string, or do you just say read buff? This is equivalent to the. Let me just delegates to read. Can I just do that? No, I need actual borrowed cursor. Okay. This can be accomplished buff reader. Oh. This isn't really. Where? How do you? Maybe I can pass without open options. Maybe I can pass file. Open. Path. What does it do though? Oh, read true open. But it doesn't do create. Create true. Write true, truncate, open. Oh, I guess file create is what I want. If it already exists, will it just read it though? Let's see. This function will create a file if it does not exist. Oh, if it does not. Okay, we'll truncate. Oh, truncate it if it does. Oh no. That's not good. Maybe I don't want that. Let's see. Create or open it if it already exists. Oh, I see. So file create does the truncate, but I'm not going to do truncate. Okay, so then I have a file, and what do I do with the file? I want to read it. Trait implementations. Read. Read buff. Read to string. Oh, there is a trait. Yeah, no, you're right. There was a trait. stdio. What is it, like read ext or something? Which one is it? No, it's not a thing. Maybe it's file read? Is a private trait. This? No. Let's see. File. I saw it in here. Read to string. Whoops. Where was I? Read. Okay, let's see. Read is where stdio read. I have it here though. Read to string. All right. Rust Analyzer was not helping me. File, read to... Oh, there it is. Oh my gosh, are you serious? Sometimes you can't help the helpless, you know? File, read to string. Wait, it takes one argument. Oh my gosh, it takes immutable. Now it takes immutable string, right? Let's see. Buff string. To make that confusing. At mute buff, right? Like contents? Read just right, because my these are my contents. How do I rename this? Contents. Oh. Really? Oh, it doesn't like that either. Yes. Yes, that's what it said. There is a read to string. Read to string at mute buffer. Let mute buffer. Oh. Cannot borrow file. Oh, it's not declared mutable. I didn't really realize I needed to have the file be mutable. Okay, well there it is. Okay, so that's it right there. This is it. I don't need any of this anymore. Thank goodness, because that was getting out of control. All right, let's try it. Let's try it. Yes, exactly. So what if I move it away, right? And then there's no, that does not exist. Yes. Yes. Okay, good. That's what I'm talking about. I like this. This is what I wanted. Open options this whole time. Wow, I got really far away from like the little tutorials though. You know? How do I remove? Okay, there we go. Yeah, this is good. A file is not mutable. Yes, I got that. Let's see. What else? Okay, so I mean all the suggestions actually seem to work. But this one was the one. Open options. Underneath file the whole time. Who knew? Well, Carball knew. Carby. All right, so this is what I wanted to do. This is only the first thing though. Let's see. Let's move this back. Let's get rid of that crazy song. We'll run it one more time. What else is in my to-dos? Reader create. Yes, okay. I did the first to-do. Add to-dos in the to-do.txt. You know what? I have not eaten dinner and I have to go eat dinner. So I don't even know how long I've been streaming. How long has it been? We read a file. Dude, the productivity of me learning Rust is like off the charts. What is it? Oh, 1 hour. Oh, that's not bad. Okay. All right, that's it for the stream. I'll probably stream tomorrow because I really want to finish this. I got hung up on this stupid thing. 1 hour 18. Yeah, I got hung up on this dumb reading files. Like I literally, all I did was read a stupid file. Rust, but it's so correct. It's so correct. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it. Progress. I'll